The River Chess is a chalk stream of national, arguably international, significance. Chalk streams are among the rarest freshwater habitats on Earth. Over 80% of them are found in England, most concentrated in the southeast. They are fed by aquifers, vast beds of porous chalk beneath our feet, gathering and storing rainwater that falls on the higher ground of their catchment areas. Over time, this water moves slowly through the rock before emerging from precious springs, flowing into natural channels that merge and braid, many tributaries becoming the main course of the river. Filtered through chalk, the water is exceptionally clear and clean. It carries dissolved minerals and nutrients downstream, where plants and animals have adapted over millennia to depend upon its steady flow. Water moves, plants grow, invertebrates breed, fish spawn, birds and mammals feed, life thrives. Yet in recent centuries, humans have left a troubling mark on rivers. We abstract, we pollute, we exploit. But something is changing.
There's mayflies flying around. They're just dropping on the river.
What bloody thing so you thought that?
There was a fish, got one.
That's gone down about 6-9 inches.
Yeah. That's it. It's flowing. There's snakes down there.
To recognise that rivers, forests and the ecosystems they support are not separate from us. They are essential to our own survival. The River Chess is now recognised nationally not only for its ecological value, but for the people who have come together to protect it. This movement has been building for more than 20 years, culminating in 2026 with the signing of a landmark agreement between several organisations united by their care for the river. Many of these groups have worked side by side for decades, keeping the Chess flowing, oxygenated, open to sunlight and reducing flood risk. These conditions allow plants to recover, fish to spawn and critically endangered species to return.
Especially in the areas where, like, having somewhere to put stuff.
Yeah, that helps hugely. Well, She's going all right.
Something's going to break in a minute.
Several of these deflectors were installed downstream from Cannon Mill in 2025. By narrowing wide, shallow streams, deflectors create higher velocity flow that scours out pools and exposes gravel beds necessary for fish spawning. In autumn and winter 2025 to 2026, a number of local volunteer organisations undertook a significant project. The objective was to clear a neglected stretch of the Chess upstream and downstream from Kitty's Bridge. Five working parties were approved and completed. The results have received huge positive feedback.
Marcus, your canoe is doing the business today. Look at this, oh my word.
The personal satisfaction gained from this work cannot be measured, nor can the quiet appreciation of the wildlife that benefits. Thanks to projects like this, for the first time in several years, the river did not burst its banks after the exceptionally wet winter of 25 and 26, averting damage to nearby homes, businesses, and a busy road. Planning is underway for further work that will be carried out throughout 2026 along different stretches of the Chess. This short film is a teaser for a larger feature currently in production. We will follow the River Chess from its many chalk springs, exploring its wildlife, its history, and the people working today to protect it. We will trace the river to where it joins the Colne, where we will let it continue its onward travels to the Thames, and finally, the sea. We hope you will join us on this journey.
Why do you do it? Why do you do it, guys?